Welcome to Windermere. Near Windermere.
Windermere?
Windermere?
I don't think that's where we are.
No, I don't think it is.
I think it's Windermere.
Windermere?
Oh,
Windermere.
Right. Oh, let's say Troutbeck. Welcome to Troutbeck. We're in a mansion.
So we're up in the Lake District for 2 days of riding, and we're in a giant mansion. It's not our mansion, unfortunately, but...
How are you guys? Are you ready to ride? What are we doing today? 120k?
130k.
130k? What have I signed up to?
10. I don't know, we'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes.
Oh, much red.
That one looks really nasty.
Which one's that?
Third one down.
Yeah,
That looks
Cold
very
Dark North
nasty.
special. Basically, all day is going to be up, down, up, down. There's no flat whatsoever. Every hill is like 20%. Luckily, Harry, who's the fastest at riding uphill, drank 50 beers
And he's still not here.
last night, and he's still not here, so we could go without him.
He hasn't arrived. Lord of Lion.
Tasty. The first slice of 25%.
Sorted.
Kind of, I had to stop again.
Well, you done 2 seat adjustments.
Yes.
He just wanted to ride harder, didn't he?
Yeah.
He dropped himself so he could attack the hill.
Yeah, I put it like 2 down and then 2 up, and I got on it. I felt like I was getting a hemorrhoid injection.
We came from down there. We've come a long way.
Long way, long way.
Ah!
Is every climb like that?
That was rhinos, it was rad.
Is that bad? Alright, cool. So when you were like, it's just a little ramp,
Yeah, I was
you were
joking.
just having me on?
Yeah, it was rhinos.
Trying to make me feel better or
I
what?
didn't actually
don't
know it was rhinos at the time, but it did look nasty on the screen. We doing hard knot next?
We've got hard not easy way apparently, which I don't know how easy it's going to be.
So that's 2 climbs done. Both of them have been like 25%, so... Well,
Only,
time
what,
for a gel.
like 7 more to go?
7 more.
I think there's 9.
Yeah, it literally is. It's going to be a hard couple of days.
I was really quite miserable. This was saying 26, but that felt like more.
Yeah.
But we're doing that the hard way so that we can do hard knot the easy way.
Great.
And I think that's a nice thing.
Yeah, totally worth it.
That looks like a wall, sir.
It does look like a wall.
I mean, literally, it looks like
So
book.
this is hard not past the easy way.
Apparently, but look at it.
It just said 30%.
Yeah, literally 30%. You see the top, but it's not very far away. But it's very steep to the top. I love cyclists. How many? Through a third climb of 9?
Shit.
Everything hurts.
Does it?
I need more alcohol.
Because you keep riding hard, the alcohol will not solve that.
Yes, it will.
It's a temporary solution.
Don't tell me what is right and wrong for my body.
So that's hard not passed done. Apparently that was the easy way. It was like 30%, quite ridiculous. Managed to get stuck behind a car and then unclip halfway up, so getting back on was quite difficult. Managed it though. Amazing around here. The route's courtesy of Tobes from Cold Dark North. He definitely knows this area pretty well. And he's lined up basically 10 of the hardest climbs around here to do. 7 to go.
Don't sit on Jake's table. Have a seat, mate.
Fit perfectly.
Guys, this ride is like really fast and really hard, and we've only done 40k. We have 90k to go.
Yeah.
Why have we stopped?
Climbs. Thank you, sir.
I think we had to stop because we're absolutely...
It was just like, yeah, we've got a long way to go, but no, even like near half.
Another climb just done. We're not even halfway. We're going to be riding till sunset.
At this rate?
There isn't even a sunset today because it's just cloudy.
Did you get the KOM at hard not pass?
I don't know, probably not.
Oh.
There's a car in the way.
You look like you're going fast though. And a car in the way.
At the top. I couldn't squeeze past because there was another car coming that way.
Bank holiday weekend in the Lake District.
Much anger.
Lots of people want to do what we're doing.
I was saying I now have a lot of testosterone.
Testosterone?
Testosterone. That needs to be pushed out. Yeah.
Ladies.
I'm sleeping with Nick tonight. He's gonna take the brunt of it.
I'm not going near his room.
Nick?
Nothing!
Nothing, mate.
Nothing, darling!
Should we be thanking Tobes for the amazing scenic route, or should we be telling him off?
Telling him off.
Telling him off. Okay.
Yes.
Definitely.
Yes.
Like the next petrol station, can we just stop and grab some snacks?
For like 5 was it?
Like, yeah, a Coke and a sandwich or something.
Grab and dash.
Are you stealing food off people? Oh, have you bonked again? You bonked on the last ride we did as well.
I need food.
Harry is on his last legs.
Not because he's not strong.
Yeah, because he
does not eat.
Going for every com because he's a stupid boy. Hopefully we get home in the next hour or so because I've been outside all day now.
You don't like riding over 4 hours, do you?
No, not really.
That's why you rode to.
That's
why you rode to Edinburgh.
Yeah, but that
Took a wrong turning.
You went the wrong way.
No.
Just a couple of extra miles.
Like the okay, and I was like, right.
Oh, you got a pen as well.
This is so good. I could eat that grit and it would taste good.
So we think we've got about 20k to go. There's an optional loop at the end, which I think Tobes put in on purpose because he knew that we'd ride too hard at the start. And none of us are going to do the optional loop at the end. Getting some sugar in and we'll be good to go. This is hard riding. This is like really hard.
We sat on the
This is
floor.
harder than Calpe because there's no fast bits in between. It's just all up or down.
It's stabby.
The descents are like technical.
I mean, we're sat on the floor of a car park right now.
Go downhill, do an interval.
That sort of ride.
It almost forces you to punch because otherwise you can't carry your speed.
Yeah.
And it's just
Saps your legs.
horrible.
Just like effort.
He was laughing when I said he probably want to do more than 120. And I see why.
Imagine. Oh, fuck.
Does anyone want a pepperami? Yeah, I'm getting more.
Great ride food.
Because the first one wasn't enough.
Swipe up. Use code Harry10.
This is a lot of sugar. 97.7 cut. I can't even speak. I ate it.
Is the camera okay?
Yeah, it's fine.
Guys, we're going left.
Oh yeah.
Did you have a nice crash, Lawrence?
Beautiful crash.
That was really funny. I didn't get it on film though, sorry.
I was trying to slow down and turn around in my biggest gear.
With a stick. I think that pretty much sums up the ride.
That's all I have. That's literally all I've got.
Lake District.
Completed it, mate.
Completed it, mate. Thanks so much for that, Tobes. So I've had time to get sorted, have a shower. I was in a right hole after that ride. That was 120k, 3,000 meters of elevation. Every hill was like 25%, 10 of them. That was hard. That's up there with some of the hardest rides I've ever done. We're gonna get some food in. We need some carbs because tomorrow we're heading out again for another like 80k. Probably just as hilly as today was. I'll try and link down below to somebody's Strava. I didn't actually save a copy of the ride myself, but I'll put the details down below if you want to check out the full route. I feel like we should end today's video with a message to Tobes.
What's your name?
Thanks, Tobes. Yeah. Please like, subscribe and comment, and we'll see you tomorrow for more carnage. Can we do a shorter ride? Yes, please. Little ride.